I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to adjust the security settings on your Alpaca 2026, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Access the settings menu. Navigate to the main dashboard and look for the settings icon, usually represented by G. Click on it to open the settings menu. Step 2. Select security options. In the settings menu, find and select the security or privacy tab. This is where you can manage all your security related settings. Step 3. Adjust authentication methods. Here, you can choose your preferred authentication methods, such as two-factor authentication or biometric options. Make sure to enable any additional security features you want. Step 4. Review access permissions. Check the list of applications and devices that have access to your account. Remove any that you no longer use or recognize. This helps keep your account secure. Step 5. Save changes. After making your adjustments to Auntie, forget to click the Save button at the bottom of the screen. This ensures all your new settings are applied. Remember, keeping your security settings updated is crucial for protecting your account. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.